How to fix Snapchat chat messages not sending. So if you're not being able to send messages on Snapchat chat, there could be various reasons for this. We want to start by simply checking our internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If not, try to clear the cache files of Snapchat app. You can do so by opening Snapchat itself, tapping the Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen, then tapping on the gear icon located from the top right hand side. Over here you can see various types of options over here, right? So you can go to your options in this case. So let me just try to look for that option. So here under privacy controls you can see clear cache, tap on it, then tap the clear cache option. When you've done that, go to your Play Store or App Store, search if the Snapchat app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If that doesn't help as well, try to see if you're having that issue with only one specific individual or everybody on Snapchat. So if you're not being able to send only to one person, it could be that the person might have restricted or blocked you from messaging them. But if you're being able to not send it to anyone, then a couple of these fixes might have helped you solve the problem. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.